Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set your default mail application in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application. I'm currently signed in into my freshly created brand new account, which was created only for these videos. But let's say I don't like the default mail option here. I want to change it to something else. Well, what you're going to do is click on these three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll want to click on settings. It's kind of in the bottom at the left side of your screen. Here we have the third option or the second option called default apps. And here you have to scroll down for a bit until you find a thing called mail. Here you can choose from any mail application which you want to set as a default. I can choose from mail and Gmail, but if you have more downloaded to your phone, they will automatically appear here and you can select from those two. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.